Whole house audio upgrades in new home construction transform everyday living with distributed sound that is convenient and unobtrusive. Start by planning speaker placement from the earliest framing stage, so wiring runs are inside walls and ceilings and not patched later. Choose in-ceiling or in-wall speakers sized to room function and ceiling height. For high ceilings or large rooms, opt for larger drivers, and aim for speaker spacing of roughly 8 to 12 feet in living areas and 6 to 8 feet in kitchens for uniform coverage. Use distributed amplifiers with zone control so each space can set its own volume and source without driving every speaker at full power. Match amplifier power to speaker sensitivity and room size, and leave headroom by choosing amplifiers rated about 20 to 30% above the nominal speaker power. Integrate the audio system with streaming services and a central smart home hub by using network audio interfaces or zone players that accept standard streaming protocols so residents can control music from phones or wall keypads. Conceal wiring in walls with conduit runs and mark pathways on the electrical plans so future upgrades or speaker swaps are simple and code compliant. Always run a parallel low voltage pull string to each speaker location for future flexibility. Balance sound by performing listening tests during construction using temporary speaker mounts and simple pink noise tracks to identify dead spots and adjust placement before drywall closes. Homeowners often underestimate speaker quantity, which leads to uneven coverage. Correct this by planning denser placement in active areas and using smaller speakers in tight spaces. Another common issue is undersized amplification, which causes distortion at higher volumes. Avoid this by specifying amplifiers with modest headroom and matching impedance to speakers. Finally, installers sometimes leave system control fragmented, so users struggle to play music across zones. Solve that by selecting a unified control platform that supports network streaming and simple wall or app controls. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work through our listings and project connections. We also host an active discussion community where members exchange tips on speaker layouts, amp selection, wiring practices, and real-world installation experience.